Tired of contract chaos? Let's ditch the paper and dive into creating a seamless agreement using Docusign. First, head to Docusign's website and log in or create a free account if you don't have one already. Once you're in, click the New button, usually found at the top left, and select Upload to import your agreement document. Docusign supports various formats like Word, PDF, and more. Now, browse your computer and select the file you want to use for your agreement. Docusign will process the document. On the left side, you'll see the drag and drop fields. Simply drag a signature field to where each party needs to sign. You can also add date, initial, name, and other relevant fields as needed. Assign each field to the correct recipient using the drop-down menu associated with each field. This ensures the right person signs in the right place. Once you've placed all the necessary fields and assigned them, click the Send button in the top right corner. Now, enter the name and email address for each recipient. You can also customize the email subject and message. Finally, click Send again, and Docusign will email the agreement to all parties for their signatures. That's it. You've successfully created and sent an agreement on Docusign.